Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm remind you know, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the vlog in truth. Now, first and foremost, viewers and subscribers, a few quick reminders. The first family of dancehall viewers and subscribers, the Palmers, will again be live tonight at 7. Check it out. And the biggest dancehall album of this decade, viewers and subscribers, of Dons and Divas by none other than Vybz Kartel himself, viewers and subscribers, is now available worldwide on all platforms in which you purchase music. Go and grab your copy of the album right now, viewers and subscribers. Now, Bounty Killer viewers and subscribers, yes, exciting moment in a dancehall music. First and foremost, let me say this. This is what we mean when we say Vybz Kartel is one of the most influential and inspirational figures in a dancehall music currently. No, this is no secret. Vybz Kartel has dropped the only 2 dancehall albums for this year. For this physical year. Now there's word that Bounty Killer viewers and subscribers will be dropping his album. Well, he started work on the project. We're not sure if the project will drop before the end of this year. We're not sure yet. But the album is being worked on. And guess which feature them attack about? Well, the feature from the teacher. Now, viewers and subscribers, if you're not in the know, recently Bounty Killer took to Instagram to share that he has now purchased 2 brand new Mercedes Benz, and also share this story of, you know what I mean, this tax situation, the fact that his possessions were repossessed. And this is a motivational story. Them take with the Prada, which is the old Prada, and a 2 brand new Benz replace them. Definitely a good look and an exciting moment in a Bounty and his career. Since then, the Versus competition, Bounty bookings gone up. It look like him about to get him visa to as well, because he's also booked for another show like the Versus, which is a North American census, which means this is government sponsored. So the North American government has signed down with having Bounty Killer on the lineup. The visa near. The visa is very, very near. Good luck, viewers and subscribers. Now that feature from the teacher and Bounty Killer, something like a wake up the dancehall industry. I'm not going around you. The album is executively produced by none other than Junior Gang Marley himself. Up a tough gang it at video. What about mix and master? Them a mix and master some of the best tracks locally. Up a tough gang studio there. So yes, them have good engineers working there. It's an international conglomerate. Now, this is definitely something where good for dancehall music. We need a multitude of dancehall artists to put out album works. Not just hit singles, not just hit mixtapes, not just hit EPs. Now, viewers and subscribers, for the dancehall genre to have a category at the Grammys, we would need a multitude of dancehall artists to have albums out. It is unfair. For year to year, we have a competition in which the title of the award is Best Reggae Album, and we have dancehall artists vying for that album. No, or for that category for album. No, it's not right. Dancehall artists should be looked at for their dancehall contributions. When we think about the aspect of reggae music, the things that matter about reggae music, the uplifting vibe, you know what I mean? The socio-economic stance that artists that sing reggae music put out, the roots rock type of energy, that lovers rock type of vibe. When we think about dancehall music, it is a little different. We still speak of some of these situations, and the subject matter is still somewhat the same, just a bit more raunchy. Just as though hip-hop is different from R&B, but both created by who? African Americans. And what is the difference between rap and R&B? It is not just the flow and the cadence. It is the subject matter. You're not gonna hear R&B artists that talk about trapping. Which R&B artist you hear a sing an R&B song about trapping? You're not gonna hear that subject matter in an R&B. While you will hear the same subject matter from R&B in a hip hop. Because whole heap of hip hop superstars have songs with R&B artists. And they talk about the ladies. Numerous of them. Some even the artists them you wouldn't believe have songs like that have them. So there is a difference with subject matter. And the same thing for dancehall and reggae. Now when we look at the Grammys, there's a Grammy for R&B and there's also a Grammy for hip hop and or rap, whichever way you want to term, whichever terminology fits your vision or ideology of the genre better. But the truth and the fact of the matter is they are looked at for their own musical contributions, their own response from fans and audience, their own creativity and their own influence. Dancehall should be acknowledged. And only way we can accomplish this is with big name superstars like Bounty. And no doubt you're going to hear say Beanie have an album on the way too. But this would be good. This would be good. This is the only way we can accomplish this mindset. And the only way we can put this into practice. You know, say, alright, when dancehall artists put out albums, for each year, in a time before, you have to put the album at a certain time, it can be nominated or even considered as an album to be, nominated. Because there's a category for that album. We now have to try to say, alright, we're going to see how we can market this to the committee and see if we can get it added to the reggae category. That is unfair. That is unfair to a musical genre that has inspired the world. Remember when Shabba win him Grammy? When Shabba win him Grammy, all hip hop and R&B artists were influenced by dancehall music and nothing has changed. Oh, we know nothing has changed when Rihanna touched the scene. She somewhat give them more of a North American flow. As she got more comfortable with the music, viewers and subscribers, she started to show them her influences. And guess which music inspired her the most? Dancehall and reggae. And she readily incorporated that into her performances, whether it be the dance or even in the songs themselves. And that's how we can know she helped in the writing process of her songs because she added dancehall and Caribbean elements to that. She could just get some writer from the Caribbean too, but at the same time it shows that she had an input in her music. And remember, she had 2 albums on the way, both influenced and fused with reggae and dancehall. She said the setting is 90s and earlier dancehall and reggae, and then the next album will be more futuristic, more modern, which is definitely a good look. 2 albums showcasing dancehall and reggae at its finest. And she's not a Jamaican. Remember, she's not born a Jubilee. She's not a Jamaican. Now what is she born? But she loved the culture, showing the impact that the music has had worldwide. It is not being celebrated enough by stakeholders locally because we only push reggae. And the only reason why people push reggae that much are because of the accomplishment of reggae stars internationally. Because them say reggae stars pack venues with the capacity of 2,000 patrons. Yo, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 people and a little bit of people. You might just hear the numbers and not think about it on a dollar figure and say, when I go shop with 1 $2 or 1 $3 it done fast. Yeah, think about it as a money settings. Think about seeing that as people stand in one place, one venue, one time and sing your song with you. Whole heap of people that. There's no local dance where ever have 1,000 people in attendance. From 1,000 people, the police are coming like that. Too much people that. Too much people. So just think about that. Put that into perspective. 3,000, 4,000 people, one venue. Now that is a show. And dance and reggae music has done that time and time again. Numerous occasions. Dancehall artists have done so as well, but they were added to the lineup of other artists, so we can't specifically say all of these fans turned out for. We should teach a lot down Paris still, and the theme show him wasn't on the lineup. At the theme show. And that venue had about a couple thousand people. Yeah? So, in these modern days, we have proven that dancehall music is still very lucrative, very creative, and still a music that should be recognized worldwide. If Afrobeat have a category at the Grammys, then this should be an outrage. Afrobeat can't get category at the Grammys before dancehall. That's what happen. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, it's a pass through, but you like the reason, you like the point of view, drop a like on the blog, subscribe, click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, drop a share on the blog, tell a friend, tell them sister and brother, check out the channel, comment section open 24/7, drop your comments, your thoughts, your opinions there, be respectful and mindful of the guidelines, however. Other than that, you know the settings, and for those who don't, you man move settings from we don't need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours, if we don't live, love and prosper until we reason again.